Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach you about meteorology. But before we start in our topic, I am Ma'am Leslie S. Tilaw. Who wants to lead our prayer? Yes, Karen. Amen. You may now take your seat, Karen. Who were absent for today? Very good. Our topic for today is all about meteorology and have objectives that I made to assure that I will teach you very well, pupils. The objectives that I have at the end of this lesson, student will able to A. Define meteorology. B. Describe the concept of atmosphere. Before we proceed with our new topic, who among you remember our topic yesterday?
Earth, ma'am.
Thank you for your participation, class. Our lesson for today is somehow related to what we have discussed yesterday. I will present a cutout of letters and I will call one student to arrange it. Who wants to arrange the cutouts? Yes, Mara. Mara, can you arrange this cutout and post it here in front?
Yes, ma'am.
What word Mara did? Or what word Mara arranged?
Meteorology.
Yes, it is meteorology. Okay, class, what are we going to do if there's group activity? Now, class, you will be grouped into two and you are going to select one leader. Please read the procedure. Samantha. Thank you, Samantha. You may now take your seat. Leaders, please get one activity sheet and materials that are needed for the activity. Are you done in our activity? Through picking the numbers inside the bowl, we are going to select which group will explain first. Okay, who is the first group and present your output? Before we proceed, we have to understand what meteorology. Kindly read the definition. Very good. Meteorology as the science of atmosphere. There are 5 compositions of the atmosphere or meteorology. But we proceed to the composition. We just define the Earth atmosphere. Raisa, just read the meaning. Thank you, Raisa. You may now take your seat. Atmosphere, it is the scientific study of the atmosphere that focuses on weather processes and forecasting. We proceed to the composition of atmosphere or meteorology. Naomi, can you read the first composition of atmosphere? Thank you, Naomi. You may now take your seat. The lowest part of the atmosphere contains our weather like clouds, rain, snow. It called boundary, layer, and determine the properties of the Earth's surface. Joanna, can you read the second composition? Thank you, Joanna. You may now take your seat. The extends upward from the troposphere to about 50 km contain much of the ozone in the atmosphere. The temperature increase with high occurs because of the absorption of ultraviolet or UV. Joy, can you read the third composition of atmosphere or meteorology? Thank you, Joy. You may now take your Here the temperature again decrease with the high reaching a minimum of about 90 degrees Celsius at the mesosphere. Mika, can you read the fourth composition of the atmosphere or mesosphere? Thank you, Mika. You may now take your seat. The temperature increases is caused by the absorption of energetic ultraviolet and X-ray radiation from sun. 80 kilometers is caused the ionospheres. The temperature is varies between night and day between the seasons. Nika, can you read the fifth composition of atmosphere or meteorology? Thank you, Nika. You may now take your seat. The region above about 500 kilometers is called exosphere. It contains mainly oxygen and hydrogen atoms, but there are so few of them rarely collide. How many composition of atmosphere or mesospheres do we have? How many composition of atmosphere or meteorology do we have? Yes, it is 5. And what are those? Very good! Our evaluation for today, kindly get 1/2 crosswise and answer the following questions. Write your name in grade level. It is identification 1 to 5 questions. Our assignment on your one long bond paper, draw a layer of composition of atmosphere or meteorology. And that's all, class, for today. Thank you for your participation and have a nice day. Goodbye, everyone.